Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you all how you can make Spider-Man Rakhi. So let's do it. As you can see, I've made a web kind of shape here. These are the eyes, a little square.
Start.
So now that I have done it, okay, I have a few colors here. I am using brush pens of Little Artist. You can use any type of normal sketch pen to color this in. So we are going to leave these eyes white. Just leave them blank and then this whole entire mask red. And it's totally fine if you're this the web shape doesn't shows up. It's totally fine. You can also use color pencil instead, and if you are using color pencil, then it will be easy for you because the web shape is going to show up and you don't need to do it again. But since I didn't had color pencils, that's why I'm using these. Okay. Now I'm going to use a black normal pen, not a brush pen, because it might ruin it. So I'm using a normal black pen, sketch pen, and doing the webbed shape once again. So as you can see, now that I have done the Spider-Man, I'm going to turn it backwards, and then you can also use wool, but here I've just used normal thread. So like that, okay. And now you're going to paste the Spider-Man in the middle by using some glue. Just put a lot of glue right over here. Like that, and then paste the string. You might get a little messy, but it's okay. Like that. And now carefully I'm going to flip it, and here it is. And just allow it to dry, otherwise the glue might just come out like that. Just allow it to dry, and don't worry, the glue is not going to show up because when glue dries up it's going to get clear. So yeah, by the way guys, comment down below if you like this or not, and yes, tell me if you just answer in the comment section down below if you want me to make another DIY video for you guys. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then smash out that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.